Hello everybody, it's Naomi from Newborns by Naomi. I've just received a new package today. I've taken the outer covering off and it's a beautiful box saying unicorns are real. And I think it's stuffed full of good things. Ooh. Okay, I've got some packaging. A little bag of goodies. Oh. Cute little baby little booties, a sweet little dress. Oh. A little dolly. That's her belly plate. That's really beautifully painted. Don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's little veins here. Really, really nice. And a dummy. That's sweet. And now for the baby. Ooh, okay, she's that way round. So we'll turn the box. Oh yes, oh this is a nice little pink sleeper, snow jacket thing. I can undo it without revealing her face. Ooh. This is a Cassie brace sculpt. I've longed for a Cassie brace, kind of chunky baby. I had a preemie size baby, but it was really small. This is lovely. It's a really nice skin tone, just very gentle blushing. Nice creases, the most lovely little feet. She's lovely. Of course the belly plate will look just super. Really good. Oops, that's my real care doll starting off. Sorry, he needs a nappy change, so I'm just going to turn him off quickly. Come on. No. No, don't be doing that. Come on. That's it, good. Right, sorry about the interruption. That's my Reality Works Real Care doll. They cry at the most inopportune moments, just like real babies. Ooh, pretty little fingers with little finger tips, absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Oh, she's lovely. Oh my goodness. It's little Sailor Rose. She's got an open mouth. I think that'll take her a dummy, even a real dummy, I think. But this one obviously is a magnet one. Oh, she's lovely. She smells really baby powder smell. I'll just take her up a wee bit for you to see. A little bit closer. Here we go. Hopefully you can get a good view of her there. Very, very soft mohair. It's beautiful. She's got lovely little eyelashes. Really nice eyelashes. So that's my Sailor Rose. Really beautiful little baby. I hope you liked seeing her unboxing. Bye for now.